I, on behalf of McLeod Russel India Limited, before I start, congratulate Bombay Stock Exchange for completing 140 years. I think this has been an institute which I had known since the childhood, created wealth for millions of the people in India, and also contributed a lot through its platform for creating and the growth for the country as a whole and the industry. And I think everybody in the industry, every company in whichever industry has immensely benefited out of the total availability of various products and through the stock exchange, particularly Bombay Stock Exchange. I mean, I had seen Bombay Stock Exchange working when it was paper trading, floor trading, etc. And all of a sudden there had been a real change in the technology, etc. And the adoption which has happened and the speed at which the total change which was being adopted by Bombay Stock Exchange is hallmark for the institute, which it has got created over the period. It has become very friendly from the investor's point of view. As far as the corporate is concerned, I think getting it listed, getting the information, going through the various queries if you go through the Bombay Stock Exchange, and the speed at which the replies which started coming in, I mean, these are really commendable. So I would say they have really adapted to the changes, the need and the requirement of the corporates and the investor as a whole. Yeah, I think investment landscape has evolved. Everybody is going through a period which comes every time in the industry. I think it is getting evolved. As we go along, I think one can say that the green shoot can be seen. And as we see it going further, I think the revival is around the corner. After 2 years of drought which India faced, I think with little bit support from the weather conditions, we will see a much better year going ahead.